I'm Tooze from All Properties Group Rentals team. Today on Pro Tips we're discussing smoke alarm regulations. As you're aware, as an investor you have an obligation to ensure your home is maintained and the smoke alarms meet the current regulations. However, for 2022, regulations are changing, which will mean that smoke alarms will be required in all bedrooms. This could be a major change for you. If you need any assistance, if you need to know if your home is compliant, please give me a call. I'm Tooze from All Properties Group Rentals team.